Okay, I'm going to walk us very quickly through the setup to mill our dolls. First of all, you need to take your object and split it. I'm going to use the cut plane command. Selecting our objects, snapping somewhere in the middle and extending beyond the object so it gives us a nice plane to be working with. I want to introduce the registration elements, and I'm just going to use a sphere, and I'm eyeballing the size. It's not in the right spot, so I'm going to move it. And I don't want the hemisphere line to be parting line because it's vertical there and there's no draft. So this part of the geometry is perfect. So I'm going to do a series of mirrors to get more of these objects in. Got my ortho snapped, so it should be good. I'm going to copy this, paste it, and move it down to here, and that looks pretty good. So I want to split those and get rid of the bulbous part on the bottom and reflect them so that I've got the geometry I need to use in a later step. So split, selecting objects to split. We might as well at this point split our model as well because we need to split it apart, move it. Okay, can delete these bottom portions. And then now I want to mirror these. So we've got nice symmetry here. So I'm going to bring this bottom part over. So I'm going to shift and select everything that I want on the bottom. And just for kicks, I'm simply going to copy it instead of dragging it. Copy, paste, and then I'm going to move that over. So you can see we have the bottom portion, top portion here. So I can delete now the bottom of the object. Okay. So I'm going to mirror this to bring it into a configuration that the mill will see. And we're very, very close. All right, so this was the bottom. This is the top. So now we need to make these registration marks work. So I left this with both halves so that we could choose which was the positive and which was the negative. So right now, since we only have the positives over here, I'm going to make this the negative. So I should be able to delete this, and then we'll trim that area out. Let's see if we can do it like this. Oops. Use these as the cutting objects. It looks like we can. Okay, so it's looking pretty good.